Declan's here. He has a huge passion for seafood, and today you're taking us to Japan with a bit of a sashimi.
Yes,
number.
a little bit inspired from Japan. I'm doing a nori parcel topped with this delicious king salmon sashimi.
King salmon, how good is it?
I know. So right here, we've got this beautiful top loin. Any good fishmonger will do this for you. So it's sashimi grade. We're probably only going to be needing about this much. You just want the knife to do the work as well. Beautiful king salmon. You can see the cross section there. And we just want to cut with that cross section. And I'm going to finely dice this and add it to the bowl. While I'm doing that, we've got some cucumber. Do you mind finely dicing that?
Yep.
And it's going to give it a bit of a crunchy texture to it as well.
Absolutely.
So thinking about all the textures here.
You want the skin on for this?
Yeah. Yeah, skin on's good.
Absolutely.
Beautiful. Everything finely chopped so, you know, we can put it in our mouth and digest it easily.
We say sashimi, but this is going to be, like you said, finely chopped, so it's almost like a bit of a tartare, isn't it?
It is, yeah. I'd say a little salmon tartare on top. And that's it. Beautiful, you know, if you've got fresh tuna, fresh snapper, the salmon's perfect here, you know. Everyone loves a bit of salmon.
Absolutely. Where did your passion for seafood come from?
Declan's my name and fish is my game. And Declan's my name. And,
I wasn't expecting you to say that. That's very good.
But yeah, my passion for seafood definitely came from a young age. Growing up on the east coast of Australia, just always having my rod in the water, fishing with Grandad, fishing with my old man. Look at you, you're just steaming through it. Beautiful. I'd go, in with all of that.
I love fishing too, Declan, but I don't have that much patience. So if you're not patient, you're not a great fishing woman, right?
Well, see, I've always said it's not called catching, it's called fishing. So, you know, you got to go out with the mindset of just being outdoors, enjoying the fresh air.
Yes.
You know, and I'd happily fish for hours by myself. So I think it's something I've always loved doing. And now I can't wait until I can fish with my little girls.
I know. We'll see how patient they're. There's two of them, twins, with a rod. I can see them though, how cute, little pink rod.
Yeah, definitely. I can't wait. All right, so yeah, perfect. We've matched each other there with the size that we're chopping it. Now I might just get you to finely slice up some spring onions. We can chop them on top.
So that's not going into the mix. This is for the topping?
That's for the garnish. So just another nice colour. We've got greens, we've got pinks, and it's all just going to contrast beautifully against the white sushi rice. I'm just going to go into our cucumber with this delicious diced king salmon.
Okay, go for it. Knife skills, incredible.
Oh, I think we're matching each other with our knife skills here. All right, perfect. And then we've just got our beautiful array of sauces that are going to bring depth of flavour to this dish and help bind all that together. So we're just going in with about a teaspoon of sesame oil.
Yep.
We'll go a teaspoon of soy sauce, maybe 2. So we've got our sesame, we've got our soy, and then we're going in with about 2 teaspoons of our hoisin.
That's the fusion coming in there.
That is.
This is not Japanese.
No, a bit of a fusion. And some toasted sesame seeds. I'm just going in with half the amount there and we'll save them for a garnish.
Right.
And then jumping on to some freshness, some microplane ginger, which we love.
Beautiful. Fresh ginger on this. And when you finally mince it, you don't want big chunks of it. So mincing it on a grater like this will really work nicely.
Yeah. All right, perfect. That's good. We're going to give all this a mix.
Yep.
That is looking sensational. Now we'll make our little nori parcels.
Okay.
And then I'll get you to cut our nori sheets for us. I love nori. It's a nice little just snack as well.
Yep.
So straight down the middle and then 2 across and then that'll give us 6 pieces. And
just want to make sure these are perfect.
Yeah,
so
nice and uniform.
1 and 2.
Perfect. That looks great.
Okay. There we go. This salmon mix that you've got here, if I wasn't doing it like this, just that on some steamed sushi rice would be the most incredible lunch.
I love it.
Yeah.
Nice and healthy.
Yes.
And that's it. Like any leftovers, you can certainly eat it as is.
Yeah. And have you seasoned that sushi rice at all?
A little bit of vinegar in it. Perfect. Seasoned sushi rice.
Yep.
And when the rice is getting a bit sticky, just a bit of water here.
Yeah.
And then look at that. It's not going to stick to your hands.
Yeah, such a good tip.
Yeah, it is.
I love making sushi at home because my little one, which is great, loves sushi. Anything with sushi rice and king salmon or tuna, just loves it, which is good.
How good's that?
Yeah.
All right, so let's put these together. So we've got our little nori parcel. And I'm just going to be placing our ball in the middle like that.
Yep.
And just kind of flattening him down. All right, there we go. There's our little nori taco. Do you mind chucking some filling on that?
Would love to.
And I will make some more.
So just put a little bit on.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, that looks so good.
All right.
All right, I've got this beautiful Japanese plate.
God, where'd you score that one? That's beautiful.
Japan.
Yeah.
Brought it back from my adventures. There we go. I just love how it pops on that plate. It's black on black, but then you got that vibrant orange from the salmon. Fantastic.
These smell amazing as well. And you don't have to be so uniform with it. You can be a little bit rustic.
Yep.
You can get the kids involved.
Yes.
You know, I think that's important, especially me with my 2 little girls. I can't wait till they're in the kitchen with me.
Yep. It'll come fast, don't worry about that. There
Look
we
at
go.
that. That's sick.
And it grips nicely to the plate because of the nori roll there.
Beautiful.
Little sprinkle, that's for you. Teamwork here.
Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work. There you have it. Like, you know, if you're not so confident in rolling sushi, this is an awesome way to get started.
Yeah, I totally agree. This is something that I'm going to be making at home very soon. It smells fantastic and look how professional it looks.
It does. And done in what, 15 minutes?
Yeah, too easy. That's the type of food that we love.